Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted Wix blog posts. If you've accidentally deleted a blog post or need to bring back older content, this process will help you recover it quickly and easily. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear showing you the various options available for managing your site. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to restore a deleted blog post. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you're working with the right one before proceeding. On this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to move forward. This button will take you into the main editing environment where you can make changes to your site's content and structure. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and managing your site. From here, locate the page drop-down menu and navigate to your blog page. Once you're on your blog page, click on your blog post and you'll see a Manage Post button appear. Go ahead and click on it to access your blog management tools. You'll now be directed to your Wix blog dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your blog content. From here, you'll see all the active blog posts you currently have published on your Wix blog page. To restore a deleted blog post, locate the trash section in the header part of your blog dashboard and click on it. This is where Wix stores all your deleted blog posts, similar to how a recycle bin works on your computer. Once you're in the trash section, you'll see all the blog posts that have been deleted. Simply click on the checkbox next to the blog posts you want to restore, and then click on Restore from the header at the top. The post will immediately be moved back to your active blog posts, ready to be published or edited again. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted Wix blog post. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.